Hello, welcome back. I just purchased a 1994 International 9600 Cabover, and it's advertised as parts and repair. It was towed to the auction site, 561,000 miles, 9-speed transmission, N14 Cummins, air ride, sleeper cab. So I've not seen this truck, but it's advertised as non-running. In the pictures, the batteries aren't even hooked up, so I don't know what's going on with it, but I'm gonna hopefully head over there in a couple days. So I'm gonna get stuff ready today and go over there and see what we can figure out. So let's go. Alrighty. Well, we're gonna try to get some batteries in here and see if it'll at least crank over. This is off of it. I don't really like that. We got fresh batteries in it. Gonna check the oil real quick and then see if we got power and if it'll crank. Alrighty, it'll start up and run, but it keeps shutting off. The oil and water light is blinking, so I'm gonna run to the store, get some oil, get a fitting for this little airline that's busted. We don't have a dipstick here, that's missing. But I'm gonna go get some oil, put some oil in it, and see if that'll shut that alarm off. And then we'll try to get this thing moving. All right, got some oil in it and got this fitting on so we can build air pressure. And then I had to unplug this sensor for the water because it's low on coolant. Otherwise it shuts the engine down. So now it fires up and runs. So we'll see if we can build enough pressure to pump up the suspension and release these brakes. There we have it. there we have it. The truck ran great all the way home, and I'm happy to have this here safely. So hopefully this week I'll get started on this. I think I'm gonna take this truck 2 separate ways. I got a project with the engine I gotta do, and then I have an idea for the cab as well. So not positive, but glad it runs and glad it's home. So hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you on the next one.